Is prior asphalt experience required to perform this repair? No, the process is straightforward and suitable for beginners following instructions. Start by assessing the damage and choose the right material, typically a cold pour crack filler for narrow cracks and a polymer modified patching compound for holes wider than 1 inch. Clean the area thoroughly using a stiff broom and a wire brush. Then remove loose debris and vegetation with a cold chisel or screwdriver. Moisture prevents adhesion, so use a hand pump or shop vacuum to remove residual water and grit. For cracks, force filler down with a trowel and smooth flush with the surface, then compact with a tamper or the flat side of a hammer wrapped in cloth to avoid marring. For larger potholes, undercut the edges slightly to create a mechanical bond, apply a tack coat of asphalt emulsion, place the patch material in layers no more than 2 inches deep, and compact each layer firmly until dense and level with the surrounding pavement. Always follow cure times on the product label, keep traffic off the repair as directed, and check the repair after the first heavy rain to confirm proper sealing. Wear gloves, eye protection, and a dust mask when cutting or cleaning, and keep a small supply kit with filler, trowel, and a handheld compactor so you can address new damage quickly before it expands. People often underestimate surface preparation, which leads to poor adhesion. Spend extra time cleaning and drying the area before applying any product to avoid early failure. Another common issue is using the wrong material for the damage size, so match narrow cracks with flexible crack filler and larger voids with a structural patch, and be sure to layer and compact. Finally, many DIYers fail to compact properly or to leave sufficient cure time, which results in settling and water intrusion. Compact each pass firmly and wait the full cure period before opening to traffic. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners looking for reliable local contractors with contractors seeking work and projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where people can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice from others tackling similar repairs.